Yo, we got the front door right here, entryway with this, gold trim table, a little bit of artwork, my skis on the side, industrial pillar. We turn around, we look straight, and we got a table, y'all. Got 6 chairs. And we keep on coming. Look at those windows, y'all. And we keep on turning. Look at this sitting area, y'all, with a couch, and that's probably a pull-up couch. We got a mirror here. Some artwork. Then we got a wine chiller with 2 bottles of water. Got some crystals. Turn back. Yeah. Then we go over here. Another door, y'all. Open concept closet. Already got my stuff in there. I got my ski pants on, so there's a lot of clicking. Those basic amenities. Yeah. And then we come in here into the bathroom. I can get the light on. Yeah. Nice and bright. Everything we like. Shower. Nice and clean. You already know what I mean. Got the basic Hyatt stuff in there. Love it. Right here we got our water closet with some frosted glass. Very spacious. And then finally, we come to the bedroom, big TV, sliding door if we need it. I'm here all by myself, y'all. I don't need it. Wow. Then we got big windows in the room. Holiday Inn Express we're looking down at. And sit down here at my table. Oh, I bet during the day this is beautiful with the mountain ranges out there. We are downtown.